Hi guys, Ollie here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a minute of fun 237 challenges. So it has duels and teams, and this is how the box looks. It says it's like a minute games with it, and gives you just like a bunch of challenges to do. So that's how it is. So now let's get opening. So that's what you see first thing. Now let's take this out. We got the cards. It should be 237. So let's take that. Got the cups. Got spoons. Got this. We got a paper. And in the cup, we have a bunch of more things. Wow, that's a lot of things. Team or duo. Let's see. What else? So it comes with 4 spoons, balloons, 10 dice, this coin which is team or duo. I don't know what this is, but this is something. And it comes with some cups, I guess. Some string type thing, measuring tape, sticks, straws, yeah, some balls, ping pong balls and stuff, and there should be 237 cards. Let's see what this paper is. Oh, just some blank pieces of paper. Okay, so let's see. Minute of fun. The first thing it says, ping pong hop. Put a ball between your knees and hop to the end of your room. If you drop it, start over, you have 1 minute. 5 points. That's set for dual, team, all players rush to 5 points. So this is what the challenges look like. So if I take a ball out and I take one ball out and I have to put it between my knees like this, and I have to hop to the other side of the room. If I do it, I get the point. And to decide if I'm going to do it as a competition or as a team, I'm gonna flip this coin more. Duel, so I'm gonna play against someone. So that's the type of challenges there are. This looks really cool, it looks fun, looks good for like a game night thing. And yeah, it looks really not cool. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Bye!